Here in Olpechida Conservancy in Kenya for the final workshop in our Women in Conservation Tech program, which has been supporting 15 early career Kenyan conservation women with training in technology and leadership skills and networks to support them to grow their careers in conservation technology.
So we've had great sessions so far, and we hope that when they go back to their host organizations or they go back to their research projects, they'll be able to adopt whatever they've learned here and also empower other women.
ARM's role in this is where we are an enabling organisation. So this programme isn't about us, it's about the women, it's about the work that they're doing, and what we can do is to support them is give them access to tools, to technologies, to people, to networks, to funds, anything that we can do to help them make their jobs easier.
We covered a massive range of technologies, showing them the wide breadth of tools that can help them do their conservation work more effectively.
So as part of our sustainability approach at ARM, we aim to try and extend the benefits of technology to people in areas that aren't currently considered or prioritised in technology design and development. When we were speaking to FFI and WILDLABS about this programme, we just thought what an incredible opportunity to support the problem holders, the women that are working in conservation, that know the problems inside out, that really deeply have the expertise in their areas to enable them to upskill in technological tools or systems that might be able to help them do their work better.
The acoustic techniques will be very vital in monitoring human activities with regards to hunting, with regards to poaching.
Learning about drones was the most exciting part and what I was looking forward to learn about. We got to fly the drone, my first time flying the drone.
Empowering women in conservation tech is important because bringing in diverse perspectives drives innovation.
So my major takeaway from this program is I've learned the power of networking. It is a very powerful tool. So my advice to the next cohort is that technology is simple, don't fear it, just go for it.
My biggest achievement during this program is that I've been able to develop very incredible skills on proposal writing. Through the skills acquired, I was able to write a very good proposal, and it actually went for proof of funding.
I will be able to mentor young people into these leadership spaces in Kenya and hopefully in Africa.
So we have really diverse ecosystems and technologies being covered, but I think overall they're taking the next step, whatever that looks like for them, whether it's deploying a new technology or taking a training course.
There's a lot of adoption of technology. The earlier you get into it, the better.
And so I think there's a role for everyone, whether it's helping us use the tools we have already, be it camera traps or acoustic devices or biologgers, helping us optimize them and use them better, or if it's helping us develop new tools for emerging challenges. There's so much opportunity for improving the data that we have access to and the information and how we respond to it so we can actually be addressing conservation challenges.
It's just been a wonderful opportunity to have this women's only space for them to get together, share their expertise, share their challenges, share the things that they're all working on collectively or separately, and just have that really positive energy from start to finish. It's been phenomenal.